Happy tax season, America! Time for our favorite national pastime. Crippling anxiety over math we haven't used since high school. It wasn't supposed to be this way. The income tax started simple. Now, it's a monster. The wild part, the IRS already knows exactly how much you owe. They have all your information. In many countries, the government just sends you a bill or a refund check to approve. But in the US, we play this ridiculous guessing game every April. Why are we doing this the hard way? To find out, we have to follow the money. This isn't an economics problem. It's a political thriller about big business, huge profits, and the lobbyists who hate it when your life gets easy. Meet the tax preparation industry. They present themselves as helpful neighbors, but they are actually a multi-billion-dollar cartel, and their entire business model depends on taxes being as confusing as possible. The king of this chaotic castle is Intuit, the maker of TurboTax. They control a massive chunk of the market. If filing taxes was easy, Intuit wouldn't make billions. They need you to be scared. This isn't a theory. For decades, Intuit has actively fought against proposals where the government would do the math for you. It's called return-free filing. Imagine getting a postcard. It says, "Here's what we think you owe. Agree? If yes, you're done." But Intuit hates that postcard. Their strategy is simple. Keep the process horrifyingly complex so you feel forced to pay them to handle it. And how do they stop the government from making things simpler? With their superpower, lobbying. Since the late 90s, the tax prep lobby has successfully pressured Congress to block the IRS from developing its own tax filing software. Instead, they created a bizarre partnership called the Free File Alliance. Investigations later revealed that Intuit internally worried that actual free tax prep was their biggest competitive threat. They were essentially tricking people who were legally entitled to file for free into paying. Real classy, right? But the game is changing. In 2022, as part of the Inflation Reduction Act, the IRS finally got the funding to study building its own free electronic filing system, Direct File. This is the nightmare Intuit spent decades trying to prevent. It's simple, it's free, and it's run by the government. And the tax prep lobby went into overdrive. They intensified their lobbying, spending millions more to stop Direct File before it could even launch. Their arguments are classic. It's too expensive. The IRS can't handle it. Think of the private innovation. They are spending millions to protect a system that charges you $100 for something other countries do for free. So we're stuck in this loop. We pay taxes on our income, and then we have to pay a private tax to figure out how much we owe. Is the complexity there to benefit the American public, or is it just a business strategy for a predatory monopoly? Next time you're sweating over TurboTax, remember, you're not just paying for software, you're paying for a lobby that wants you to keep sweating. See you next tax season. Don't forget to like and subscribe, unless you enjoy paying corporate lobbyists. Just kidding. Thanks for watching.